creators, welcome back. So today we're going to be making a video where I build a knockoff Lego. It is called Make It Blocks. 52 pieces, compatible, fits all leading brands. That's what they all say. But wow. First of all I'm seeing is sloppy constructions. All knockoffs have this. I hate it. It's so hard to follow. Well, seriously, they had to make the figure where you have to build it like this. Like you have to put the pieces. Okay, let's do this. All right. And now I got. Alright. I don't think it's making me build a helicopter. I think it's making me build a snowmobile or a jet ski. I have no idea, but it looks like a jet ski. Kind of. Or a snowmobile. That's what it looks like. Snow. I don't know what they're called, but please make this video get a lot of views or likes or, you know. But, yeah. And right off the bat, this looks for sure fake because like I just see where the molding machines like molded it. Lego actually has the little symbol on it. This does not have the symbol. Now, collectors that collect non-Lego, no offense to you guys, but this is, I don't like it. Yeah, this stuff hurts my brain. It looks, I don't know. It just doesn't stick together well. It doesn't hurt your fingers because you have to really push for some of the pieces that are stuck on like somewhere where you want it to go in, but it doesn't go in. Then sometimes they'll come with like pre-built minifigures, and that's a good thing. And then some other times they won't come with pre-built minifigures, and it'll be the same company, and it upsets me because why are they not coming with, well, like, not, you know, I'm talking about like not minifigures that are like this. Seriously, I don't understand, but yeah, it's just so dumb that people do this. They try to copy. Just makes me upset that they do this. And